Hello and welcome to the lecture session. In this video, I am going to explain what is practical harmonic analysis and what are the constant term and the harmonics. A harmonic analysis is the process of finding a constant term and the first few cosine and sine terms numerically. Usually we represent an and bn, but the few terms means it can be one term or two terms or three terms like that. That is a1, b1 is one term, a2, b2 is the second, and like that we have to determine only the first few terms. So the Fourier series of the period 2 pi of a function y equals to f of x is given by f of x is a naught by 2 plus sigma an cos nx plus sigma bn sin nx, where a naught is given by 2 by n sigma y and an is given by 2 by n sigma y and y cos nx, and bn is given by 2 by n sigma y sin nx. The Fourier series of the period 2l of a function y equals to f of x is given by a naught by 2 plus sigma an cos n pi by l of x plus sigma bn sin n pi by l of x. Let's call this as equation 2, where a naught is given by 2 by n into sigma y and an is given by 2 by n into sigma y cos n pi by l of x, and bn is given by 2 by n y sin n pi by l of x. Let's call this as equation number 3. And we have to convert them in terms of theta by putting pi x by l is equals to theta in the equation 3. Then we get a naught is 2 by n into sigma y, an is given by 2 by n into sigma y cos n theta, and bn is given by 2 by n sigma y sin n theta. Now let's see the problem. Determine the constant term and the first cosine and sine terms of the Fourier series expansion of y from the following data. So here x0 or x degrees is given by 0, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225 and so on. That means the difference between the successive values is 45 degrees respectively. Now if you go for the next value, it will be 360. Since it is a periodic function, we are not going to consider both 0 as well as 360. Any one of the value will be considered. Either 0 or 360 will be considered, because when we consider 360, the value of 360 is also equals to the value of 0, that is 2. Here the interval of x is given by 0 to 360 or 0 to 2 pi, and we can observe here 0 is included. It is a closed open interval. 0 is included and 2 pi is excluded. And here the n value is 8, because the number of data which we have taken is 0, 45, 90 etc. All this is totally 8 values we have taken. Therefore n value is 8, and the Fourier series of y up to the first harmonic is given by a naught by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x. Let us call this as equation number 1. Now we need to compute the table here. So the table is given by x degrees, y cos x, sin x, y cos x and y sin x. So x values are given. It is to be tabulated as it is, that is 0, 45, 90 up to 315, and the y values are respectively given and it is tabulated as per this. Okay, now y cos x is determined, because cos 0 is equals to 1, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, which is 0.7071, cos 90 is 0, cos 135, cos 180 and so on. Similarly, let us find the values of sin 0. So sin 0 is 0 and sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and sin 90 is 1, sin 135 is 0.7071, sin 180 is 0 and so on. So we have computed the values of cos and sin. Next, we have to compute y into cos x. So 2 into 1 which is 2, 3 by 2 into cos x which is 1.0606 and 1 into 0 and so on. That is the second column terms as multiplied with the third column, that is cos x. Next, again y into sin x, that is second column and the fourth column terms, if we multiply, we are getting respectively these values, that is 0, 1.06065 and so on. Now we need not have the summation of all the columns. What we require is sigma y, that is the second column total, and sigma y cos x is needed, sigma y sin x is also needed, that we have computed. Next, we need to find out the value of a naught. So a naught is given by the formula 2 by n sigma y, that is 2 by 8 into 8, or a naught is equals to 2. And a1 is given by 2 by n into sigma y cos x, that is 2 by 8 into 3.4142, which gives us a1 is equals to 0.85355. And b1 is given by 2 by n into sigma y sin x, that is y sin x value is 0, therefore the b1 value is 0. Then let us substitute in the y function, that gives us 2 by 2 plus 0.85355 of cos x plus 0 into sin x. Now this gives us 1 plus 0.85355 of cos x. That is the value of y, we get it. Next, let's see the second problem. Given the following table, that is x is in degrees, that is 0 degrees, 60 degrees, 120 and so on. That is successively we have a difference of 60 and it is up to 300 only. When we take the next value, that is 360, it is giving the same answer, that is 7.9. So we neglect that. Either the first value is considered or the last value is considered. Usually we consider with the first value, that is 0, and omit the 360. Now the question here is obtain the Fourier series neglecting the terms higher than the first harmonics. That means we need to find a0, a1 and b1. Here the interval of x is given by 0 to 360. Again 0 is included and 360 is excluded, where n is 6, and the Fourier series up to the first harmonic is given by y equals to a0 by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x. Let's call this as equation number 1. So according to that, we need to calculate the tabular values. So x in degrees, which is given already, is computed here. Y values, that is 7.9, 7.2 and so on, which need to be calculated as the sum of it, that is giving us 26.9. And cos x, that is cos 0 is 1, cos 60 is half, that is 0.5, cos 120 is minus half, that is minus 0.5, cos 180 is minus 1 and so on. This is to be calculated. And next we need to calculate what is y into cos x, that is multiplying the terms of y and cos x. 7.9 into 1, 7.2 into 0.5 gives us 3.6 and so on. And this also we need a sum, that is 12.15. Next we will calculate the sin x. What is sin x? That is sin of 0 is 0, sin 60 is 0.866, that is root 3 by 2, and sin 120 is also the same value we are getting. Sine 180 is 0 and so on. Then after that y is to be multiplied with the sine. Therefore we get 2.6846 as the sum of y into sine x. Now with these values we need to compute what is a0, an and a0, a1 and b1. So a0 is given by 2 by n sigma y, that is equals to 2 by 6 into 26.9, which gives us 8.9667. And a1 value is given by 4.05 and b1 value is given by 0.8949. Now all these values need to be substituted in the y, where y is given by a0 by 2, that is 8.966 by 2 plus a1 cos x, that is 4.05 cos x, plus b1 sin x, that is 0.8949 sin x, and dividing 8.9667 by 2 we get 4.48335 plus 4.05 cos x and 0.8949 sin x. This is the required series. Thank you.